Creating realistic character animations comes at a cost, and this ranges from understanding how the motions of a character works, all the way to multiple keyframing of the character to get the exact pose or motion for the character. And unless you're using a performance capture tool which actually replicates real life, creating realistic character motion can be quite demanding and can end up being a chore. But all of that is about to change as AccuPOSE from the folks at Reallusion now brings impressive and intuitive physics-based AI-assisted posing and animation tool to iClone, as this takes the idea of posing characters for basic and complex animations to a whole new level. AccuPOSE utilizes deep learning models which are trained on AccuCore's extensive motion database that the folks at Reallusion have independently created as their motion capture library. AccuPOSE comprehends human motions and movement across countless scenarios, and this enables users to create highly natural poses with minimal effort, as users can easily select and drag position pointers of a 3D character to easily pose and position the character, just like you would when guiding a real person. And because of how this is built, every single pose that you create with AccuPOSE appears naturally balanced, and this is all thanks to years of research, development, and extensive training of the AccuPOSE learning model. And if you own iClone, you can start using AccuPOSE right now, as the folks at Reallusion are providing access to AccuPOSE in a continuing effort of democratizing and allowing creators to work more easily and faster. So, AccuPOSE is currently available for everyone totally for free. But that's not all. AccuPOSE also ships with the AccuPOSE Core Pack, and this provides fundamental human body movements, which includes sit, squat, kneel, prone, lie, crawl, walk, and basic stance pose. And all of these are designed to aid creators craft animations from everyday movement to highly dynamic motions. And of course, you can mix these motions however you want and create amazing looking animations. And for creators looking for more, the AccuPOSE Infinity pack is currently available, and this comes with over 1,000+ themes. With an ever-growing expansion, creators will definitely find the AccuPOSE Infinity pack super useful, as this gives access to 6 different interesting categories that deals with daily life, occupation, communication, combat, action and adventure, and finally dance. And like we mentioned earlier, this pack is continually growing, and more stuff will be available to subscribers with every single release. And the best part, this works with existing tools. So if you already have a character from Character Creator, or possibly you did create a character in iClone, you can now continually work with that and use AccuPOSE to pose your character exactly how you want. And if you like to transform your existing poses into AccuPOSE, this is also super possible, as AccuPOSE transforms your existing poses into AI reusable poses, which can work with customizable IK constraints. And with this, any character in Reallusion can now benefit from the controllable AI-assisted posing and animation tool, all thanks to AccuPOSE. Creators can also accelerate the animation workflow, which will benefit from a lot of features that AccuPOSE provides. From the hand keying animation, which enhances the efficiency of quality keyframing posing, which supports the creation of compelling animation styles, connecting clips, which simplifies the process of filling in the missing poses between motion clips while creating a more natural transition, motion capture file correction, which impressively has the capability to effectively solve motion capture challenges such as shoulder stiffness, motion distortion, or even enhanced animation with realistic hand gestures. And finally, animators can also take full advantage of this tool to make some interesting corrections when dealing with curve and trajectory poses in iClone. With this, you can fine-tune and achieve realistic and physically accurate humanoid poses, all thanks to AccuPOSE. AccuPOSE complements the suite of tools that the folks at Reallusion have created and is a brand new member of the Accu family, which includes AccuRig, which is a free auto-rigging software that enables users to quickly and accurately rig 3D models, transforming static meshes into animated characters, which is suitable for games, films, AR and VR applications. AccuFace, which is an AI-powered facial motion capture plugin for iClone, which allows for precise real-time facial tracking using webcams or recorded video files. And finally, AccuLips, which is a feature within iClone that enhances the accuracy and naturalness of lip sync animation, as this utilizes advanced algorithms to generate precise mouth shape which corresponds to phonemes in dialogues, resulting to a more realistic facial animation. And all of these are amazing. So for those who like to take a look at AccuRig, AccuFace, or possibly the brand new AccuPOSE, or maybe you would like to start creating your very own characters with Reallusion's Character Creator, then links to all of this will be in the description, so do well to check it out. AccuPOSE is now here, and this brand new AI-assisted posing and animation tool for iClone now offers creators a more intuitive and realistic way of posing their characters. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.